it's Gigi and it's story time. Today we are reading Giraffe Meets Bird, and this is by Rebecca Bender. Are you ready? The first time Giraffe meets Bird, he's surprised. The moment Bird meets Giraffe, he's amazed. Oh, these are dark. Giraffe is fascinated to watch the bird grow. Bird is tickled to try new things. Bird learns that it's easy to make Giraffe cross. Giraffe discovers that it's a cinch to make Bird angry. If Bird wants Giraffe to help, he has to be pleasant. Please. If Giraffe wants Bird to give him a scratch, he has to be polite. Thank you. Bird loves to hop from branch to branch. Giraffe enjoys the peace and quiet of a nap. Cheep, 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 cheep. Bird's feathers are ruffled when Giraffe tells him what to do. Giraffe is peeved when Bird makes a fuss. Bird wants to be alone in his tree. Sharing is hard. Giraffe was there first. Sharing is tough. Take a hike, Giraffe. Buzz off, Bird. One hot, dry afternoon, Giraffe has an itch. Flutter, flutter, plop. Giraffe is relieved to lose his itch, but why is Bird so quiet? Bird is thrilled to have an adventure, but how will he get back in the tree? Just then, there is a strange noise in the tall grass. Crunch, crunch. What do you see? Whoop! It's a centerfold. Yikes! A lion! Luckily, Giraffe sees the bird. He scoops him up and jumps so high they land in the tree. Back to the book. The light dims as Bird finds a cozy spot to nestle in. The stars shine as Giraffe finds a comfy place to snuggle in. Tonight, they don't mind sharing the tree. Look, there's the bird. Wait, what will they do in the morning? Bird knows that his tree is no place for young giraffes, but Giraffe is sure that this tree is no place for baby birds. At sunrise, Bird peers out from the top of the tree for any sign of trouble. Giraffe scans below the branches for any trace of danger. With no lions in sight, it's time to leave. Giraffe is weepy to bid farewell. Bird is teary to say goodbye, but they do. And together they set off to find a new home to share. Look at the elephants. The end. That's it for now. Gigi's signing off. Take care, polar bears. I love you.